To tackle the climate change issues, the United Nations held a Paris conference that resulted in an agreement to limit global warming to less than 2 degrees Celsius. In addition, the United Nations has compiled 17 Sustainable Development Goals as a global development agreement, which includes goals for affordable and clean energy as well as climate action. The Indonesian government is committed to the Paris Agreement and the Sustainable Development Goals by issuing a government regulation that targets a renewable energy mix of 23% by 2025 and 31% by 2050. Pertamina, as Indonesia's largest state-owned enterprise, fulfills the energy demands from the world's largest population through an integrated business and operation from upstream to downstream. Following the global community aspiration to reduce greenhouse gases emissions, Pertamina outlooks the environmental, social, and governance aspects in every line of business and operations. Pertamina also accelerates the energy transition through a master plan program that consists of 8 initiatives. Number 1 is the Green Refinery project that Pertamina built in Pelaju and Cilacap. Number 2 is a bioenergy project that converts biomass to bioethanol. Number 3 is the geothermal project, which is the monetization of Pertamina's geothermal assets through independent power producers that can develop the project to 1.3 gigawatts. Number 4 is the Green Hydrogen project that Pertamina targets to utilize its geothermal field with a total potential of 8,600 kilograms per day. Number 5 is the electric vehicle battery and energy storage system. Pertamina has partnered with battery technology providers to manufacture battery and energy charging infrastructure for electric 2-wheeled and 4-wheeled vehicles. Number 6 is a gasification project that Pertamina optimizes for gas utilization in transportation, household, and industries across Indonesia. Number 7 is the New and Renewable Energy project, where Pertamina develops local solar power generators in the high solar radiation area. Besides that, Pertamina manufactures solar cells through a strategic partnership. Lastly, the Circular Carbon Economy project that Pertamina plans to capture, utilize, and store carbon, also known as CCUS, into the areas. It is meant to enhance oil and gas recovery in Pertamina's production field. Apart from having the Energy Transition Master Plan program, Pertamina always aligns its businesses and operations to the societal changes through Pertamina's corporate social responsibility programs in education, health, environmental conservation, and economic empowerment. The President of the Republic of Indonesia, Joko Widodo, appreciates Pertamina's effort in energy transition and strengthening the nation's energy resilience.
Mengapa kita harus melakukan percepatan implementasi program biodiesel? Ada 3 alasan. Yang pertama, kita berusaha untuk mencari sumber-sumber energi baru terbarukan. Energi terbarukan. Dan kita harus melepaskan diri dari ketergantungan pada energi fosil yang kita sadar suatu saat pasti akan habis. Pengembangan energi baru terbarukan juga membuktikan komitmen kita untuk menjaga planet bumi, menjaga energi bersih dengan menurunkan emisi gas karbon dan untuk meningkatkan kualitas lingkungan.
Tahun 2019 kita sudah berhasil memproduksi dan menggunakan B20 dan tahun ini kita mulai dengan B30 sehingga kita mampu menekan nilai impor minyak kita di tahun 2019. Pertamina bekerjasama dengan para peneliti telah berhasil menciptakan katalis untuk pembuatan D100, yaitu bahan bakar diesel yang 100% dibuat dari minyak kelapa sawit yang sedang uji produksi di 2 kilang minyak kita. Ini akan menyerap minimal 1 juta ton sawit produksi petani untuk kapasitas produksi 20.000 barel per hari. Hilirisasi bahan mentah yang lain juga terus dilakukan secara besar-besaran. Batu bara diolah untuk menjadi metanol dan gas. Beberapa kilang dibangun untuk mengolah minyak mentah menjadi minyak jadi dan sekaligus menjadi penggerak industri petrokimia yang memasok produk industri hilir bernilai tambah tinggi.
We are enthusiastic at unleashing various potentials, accelerating progress together, and achieving shared goals. Join the quest, energizing sustainable future. Energizing you.